Hi all, welcome to our channel. So how we can activate Google Search Console option? Google Search Console in my website, any issues, any bugs, any error, traffic, what are the clicks will be happening in my website? Everything we can know about the report is called Google Search Console option. Select your website. Under the website you have, so how we can activate your Google Search Console? Copy the URL. That option name is called Search Console. Here click the add property. Select option name is called URL prefix. Click for continue. The activation process will be given by the 5 methods. This completely providing for 5 methods option. So the 5 methods, how we can will be activated here. Just go to this option. Data account activated. Reason I have done by already code. What is the setting will be here? How can I verify? The account will be verified based on the setup. So right now, based on Google Analytics, the account will be set up. If you are first time you are sign up earlier, they can show this many options. What is that? HTML file, HTML tag, Google Tag Manager, domain name provider. What is that? Previous will done by activation analytics, the previous concept. So automatically your search console will be activated based on the Google Analytics. Suppose you don't have any Google Analytics, how to activate? Download HTML file, download HTML file, go to cPanel, click for file manager. In this public underscore HTML, here also will be show. Upload the file from your desktop, where it is called downloads, activate. Now I'm clicking for verify. Previous how many verifies are there? Only one verify. What is the option name is? Analytics. Now I'm click for verify. It is done. How much time will be taken? Just in a fraction of seconds, the panel will be activated. Previous only HTML will be option will be analytics is there. Now is the option will be HTML file. Just download and upload the file. Third step, HTML file. Copy this code. Careful to watch. This is a coding sector. Copy this code. Go to cPanel. Same. Everything will be what option name is? File manager. In a file manager, total files will be saved by the public underscore HTML. Where? Public underscore HTML. In the public underscore HTML, the file name is called index.html. Which one? Index.html. Right click, edit. Always right click, edit. The code will be copied for header file. The code will be copied for header file. Save. Go to this. Now click for verify. Done is verification. Previous without coding. This will be with coding option. So this is a method to activate Google Search Console method. One is the Google Analytics. Second will be HTML tag. Second will be HTML file. So what are the code you can paste? That will be header, open and close in between range. Header will be open and close in between the range. So if you want any further issues you are facing will be into Google Analytics or Google Search Console requesting file to activate Google Search Console, please contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.